2024 was a year of advances at Zoho WorkDrive. As we wrap up, we are thrilled to take you through the powerful updates and new features we rolled out this year. We strengthened our data security this year by automating backups with Manage Engine's Recovery Manager Plus to make sure that all of your WorkDrive data is safe and recoverable. We have also improved collaboration with the Microsoft Outlook WorkDrive add-in. Now you can save time and store everything in one location by accessing your WorkDrive files straight from your Outlook inbox. We have elevated business collaboration to a new level. Now that WorkDrive is easily accessible from Zoho CRM, you can swiftly access files and expedite your workflows. Safeguarding your digital property is essential for a wide range of digital content. That's where our custom watermarking makes it easier to protect your documents and creative assets. We understand that many teams need to work with outside contributors on a daily basis. That's why WorkDrive includes an option to let external users access and edit files with external sharing links. Avoid bouncing between apps and edit images directly in WorkDrive with our built-in image editor. Just open, edit and save images directly in your WorkDrive folder. Managing multiple file versions can be challenging and uses up storage space. Choose the number of versions to be retained and delete the rest in bulk to free up valuable storage and to keep your account organized. We have upgraded WorkDrive's desktop app TrueSync with new capabilities throughout the year. Users can now create team folders, bring in team members and manage it all right from the TrueSync app. Share your WorkDrive files and folders through email, external links or customizable permalinks, all from the convenience of your desktop. Share files directly from TrueSync without needing to switch to the web or the mobile app. Now you can deploy TrueSync across your network of devices using group policy objects. Selectively sync files and folders to retain only the latest file versions on your desktop and take advantage of the compatibility with ARM64 processors, all to make synchronizing files smooth and efficient. From automated backups to secure watermarking, seamless editing and better desktop file management, we have listened to your needs and enhanced WorkDrive to make it more powerful and help you do your best work. The updates won't stop here. We are working on more updates to bring new features and enhance your WorkDrive experience in 2025. Reach out to our in-house experts to learn more. Here is to another year of innovation, collaboration and growth. Thank you for being a part of the WorkDrive community.